volleyball game last night?
Oh my god, that was so crazy.
Yeah, like that one play where you hit it like all the way over into the other side of the field.
All right, class, it's time to turn in your homework from last night, so you can put it right over there on that desk.
Dang it, I forgot to do my homework again. I can never remember.
Well, do you use your planner?
No, it's just way too hard to use.
It's really not that hard. Let me show you.
Step 1. Grab a writing material. Step 2. Grab your planner. Step 3. Find the week you're in and then find the day and classroom. Step 4. Write down any homework or assignments for the class you're in. To be extra prepared, you can even write down upcoming tests and that you should study. If you want to be extra organized, you can color code your planner however you'd like. When you're at home, make sure to check your planner. And that's how you use your planner. Peace out, Panthers.